Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Hill with another lesson. Today, we're going to talk a little bit about arrays. Now, in third grade, we use arrays to help us to figure out multiplication facts. And basically, an array is a structure that has a group of elements that, again, we can count and use to help us to figure out multiplication and also division. So suppose I were to give you this multiplication fact. 6 times 4 is equal to some number. Well, we can go ahead and build an array to help us to figure that out. The first thing we would do is to build our rows. The number 6 is the number of rows. The very first number is always the number of rows. So first, let's go ahead and build 6 rows. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Now that we know we have 6 rows, we must have 4 elements in each row. Well, here, there's already 1 element, so now we have 2, 3, 4. Here's 1 element in this row, and so we'll have to add 3 more, and then we'll do the same for each row. After we finish adding all of the correct number of elements to each row, all we have to do is either count them up one by one, or we can skip count. So first, let's count them up one by one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So there you have it. 6 times 4 is 24. Now, if we wanted to skip count, we would simply say 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, and then 24. And once again, the answer is 24. Ta-da! We did it!